Hi, nice to see you again. Have a great day. Today I will guide you to propagate Anthurium 100% successfully from just one leaf. Don't forget to subscribe and comment your opinion below. Thank you very much. First, we need to cut a leaf from the Anthurium plant to use in growing the seedlings. Check leaves for pests or fungus. If so, we need to take one more step, which is to treat the pathogens before incubation. This leaf is completely healthy, so we don't need to treat it. This leaf is completely healthy, so we don't need to treat it. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below so I can answer you. Thanks. And this is a very important catalyst for plant germination. I took enough toothpaste to cover the surface of the cut leaf. Applying toothpaste to a cut on a tree can help protect the wound and aid in the healing process. The ingredients in toothpaste have the ability to kill bacteria, prevent infection, and support the recovery process of plant cells. After applying, I will leave it for 30 minutes. "30 minutes later, I prepared a small pot of sand and planted the leaf in it. Germination in sand is very effective because sand helps to keep the moisture at the necessary level for the plant, preventing the plant from being flooded with water. This is very good for the germination of the seedlings. Water the pot to create moisture for the plant. If you like this idea, don't forget to give me a like and hit the notification bell to see the latest videos. Thank you very much. After sowing, I will bring this pot to a place with light so that the seedlings can grow better. Please subscribe, like, and comment below the video. Thank you very much. Amazing! After 7 days from one leaf created a healthy seedling. Now, let's carefully separate the seedling from the pot. Look, the seedling has lots of big, healthy roots. Next, I used a water spray bottle to remove any remaining sand from the seedlings. Don't forget to subscribe and comment your opinion below. Thank you very much. Then I will prepare a pot of soil containing organic fertilizer. Plant the seedlings in the pot, then add rice husks on top. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below so I can answer you. Thanks. This is important to reduce exposure and keep the plant moist. After planting, remember to water the tree a little more to stimulate the roots and create a springboard for the tree to grow. Okay, now I will bring the plant out into the sunlight so that it can absorb the nutrients it needs to grow. Wow! After 25 days, the plant is about 20 centimeters tall and very well grown. I will prepare a special water to take care of the plants. Let's go. I use honey in moderate amount, dissolved in water. Thank you for visiting. At this time, the plant needs nutrients to grow rapidly. Instead of watering the plant directly, I will use a paper towel soaked in honey to remove pathogens from the plant. This is essential because the substances in honey will completely eliminate potential pathogens while providing direct nutrition to the plant. If you like this idea, don't forget to give me a like and hit the notification bell to see the latest videos. Thank you very much. Pour the remaining water into the tree roots. And now take the plant out for some sun. Surprise! 60 days later, I had a beautiful Anthurium plant. Take care of it my way so that the flower will last long and bloom forever. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below so I can answer you. Thanks. Don't forget to subscribe and comment your opinion below. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching the video. Have a nice day.